Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am going to be playing Beamng Drive, and today I am basically going to get this nice looking 90s car, and basically I'm gonna get it off-road and see how it performs. So with that being said, let's go. Let me go into first person here. And I think there is a road right about here somewhere. There it is, where this 4 is, right here. So, let's see how it performs on the dirt road. So, I did test this before, and honestly it went pretty well. I'm not excited to make a video. Oh gosh, don't go in the water. Okay, let me go ahead and take a turn. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's see how much damage we can make. So far so good. Looks like it's still in one piece, which is good. I'm gonna go off-road a bit. There we go. Okay, looking good, looking nice. Speed up a little. Oh my gosh, okay. Ooh, that was a big one. Alright. Oh, is this where the... Oh gosh, okay, the road ends here. Let's just go around the water. Past this rock. There we go. And take a turn right here a little. Looking pretty nice so far. I definitely don't want to touch the water, because if I do, the car will probably just die. Like the engine will just, won't function anymore. Okay. For those who don't know what Beamng Drive is, it's basically like a realistic car game, which you can just take any car and you can experiment with it, and it will basically, it's like a crash simulator, for car crashes and stuff. It's pretty awesome. Oh, okay, it's not stuck. I thought it was gonna be stuck. Okay, let's go through here. There we go. Alright. Doing pretty nice. So far, so good. Let's go a little fast. Okay, pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh, I think something fell. Okay, there's the road. Let's try going back if we can. Did I lose a wheel? Okay, hang on. Let me check the damage. So I definitely lost the front bumper, and the car is a little bit not looking very nice. It's a little bit dented. The wheels look okay. The front ones might be a little bit damaged. But besides that, I mean, it's okay. Let's go up. Let's see what else. Come on. Let's go a little bit off-road. There we go, just like this. Let's just keep going. Let's see how much damage we can make to this car. And maybe I'll get like another car in at like after I'm done with this one. Ooh, that was a crash. Okay, I think it still works. Yep, the engine is a little bit damaged, which is not very good. But that's gonna be okay. Oh, okay. Go back, go back, go back. Am I stuck? Yeah, I am. Okay. Let me go ahead and grab the car like this. And we should be good. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and try to get out of here. Okay, hang on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely damaged, but it still works, which is good. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, that's definitely a crash right there. Okay, let's see if it still works. I don't think it will. Nope, the engine still works, but it's not pulling anything. So, go. I love doing this, dude. Just grabbing it and then just throwing it like, look at this. Check this out. Boom. This is so cool. Oh man, I love this. Let's replace this car with the same car but modified. Let's take the race model. I'm gonna make it black and spawn a new one. There we go. Yeah, let's see how it does. Okay, come on. Come on. There we go. This car is very low, so it should... Hang on. It's a little too loud. Let me turn down the music, the sounds. Yeah, actually, never mind. I'm just gonna keep it as is. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this car performs. Oh gosh! Okay, that was a wrong turn. Still runs though, which is pretty nice. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think it's it. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again and see if we can do this. Let me also increase my microphone real quick. Oh, it's already full. Okay, go. Okay, come on. Okay, doing pretty well, doing pretty good. Oh, there goes the windshield. Oh, and the game just... Okay, hang on. There we go, it didn't crash, it just exited out, I don't know why. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think this car is kind of dead. But it still works. Yeah, let's see how much damage we can make. No, don't go in the water. Oh, GG's. Yeah, GG's. The engine broke. Oh, this car just that's it. It's done. Alright, let me go to vehicles. Let me remove all of them. Let me get another vehicle. Let me get this car, which is I think from the 50s. And I'm gonna make it... I'll take this one because look, rusty and all of that, so yeah. Take this one. Let's see how it performs. There it is. Okay. Let's take it for a run. So I'm gonna take it off the road. Let's do this. We're doing pretty well. The wheels aren't really the best behaving, but it's fine. Okay. Come on. We're going pretty well. Now the wheels are totally not good for off-roading, that's for sure. The wheels are completely just for road only. They do not turn well. Oh, okay, okay. Stop. Oh, am I stuck? Yes, okay. Let's take it and grab it. So far, looking not very well. The radiator is dead. That's why there's smoke. So, let's go. Okay. Still going, still pretty good. Oh, okay. Yeah, I told you guys the wheels are very bad. They are not pretty good. Coolant is overheating. Okay. I knew that. I knew that was gonna happen because, of course, we have no more heater. No more radiator. And it's dead. The drive shaft is... yeah. completely arranged. And that's it with this car. So, you know what we do? Kaboo. Just scrapping it once. Alright. Let's see a off-road car. I think there's this van. Where is it? There's a van that I can make it off-road. This one. Off-road. It literally says off-road. Let's see how off-road it is. It really is. Let's see. Wait, can I adjust the let me adjust the FOV. Hang on. Options. Where's the FOV? Let me do more FPS actually. Yeah, that should definitely help. And you know what? Let's limit the frame rate to 240. To a lot actually, just not 240 only. To the maximum. And where is it? There's an interface, angle degrees. Let me search on Google. Okay, there we go. I found it. Hang on. Things are glitching out. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on, dude. Man, this game does not like me, I swear. Let's increase it a little bit. That should be enough. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this performs here. We got a bunch of rocks, a bunch of craziness. Let's go. Honestly, pretty good so far. So far, it's looking pretty nice. Okay, looking nice, looking good. Let's see the outside. Pretty good. Honestly, yeah, it's performing well. The wheels seem to struggle a little. Oh gosh, that was not a good hit. Oh god, okay. Let's keep going. At least try to. The engine is started a whale. Oh, we did lose a whale. And that's it. Okay, honestly pretty good. Let's see what else. I want another view. You know what? I'm gonna take this car again. But here's what I'm gonna do. Take this one, I guess. That's fine. Replace the current car. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to vehicle configuration. I'm gonna go to frame. And I'm gonna turn off the body. And we only get this. So yeah, pretty crazy. Okay, let's see how it does like this. This is literally just the chassis of the car. Oh gosh, no, I get hit. Oh, come on. Come on, full speed, come on. Honestly, pretty good. Oh gosh, no. No, go back. You know what? If I hit something, it's fine. Okay, let's see. Nope. Avoid that, okay. A wheel is not doing very well. Let's keep going. The engine got some damage now. It's turning very badly. Now the wheels are not very good. They are not the best. We're doing pretty good. And we hit the rock. Okay. Still running though. Even though it's super bad. Oh, you know what we do. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay. What other vehicle should I do? Let's do... Should I do the bus? No, it's too slow. I'm gonna do a race car, this one. Just for the funsies. Just see how it is going to perform. I'm gonna take the drag one, which is basically for high speed. Let's see how it does. So I know it's very... Is that the wheel from the... It's from the other. It has no texture right there. That's interesting. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this car performs, even though I'm pretty sure it's not going to perform very well. You know what? I'm gonna take it on the road, so it's much easier for this car to... Well... I just like to drift on it. Okay, never mind. Let's just go. Let's just go south. Yeah, look, I'm not pressing anything. Look, I'm just pressing W. Look at this. This vehicle is just spinning. Oh, look at this one. No. No. Let's take a classic one. This one, and let's just take the classic old one. This one. And the classic. Let's see how it performs as a classic car. This is sort of like a Beetle. And it already flipped. Okay, we put it back. The bumper did get some damage on the front, on the right, on the left side. So far, so good. We got a window. The windshield is cracked. Besides that, in the bumper, I mean, pretty good. Yeah, so far, so good. The bumper is looking nice, actually. Okay, let's go. Oh, here we go. This is gonna, yeah, this is gonna hit it pretty well. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, pretty good, pretty nice. And yeah, the wheels are just way too bad. They are not very good. Come on. Is this all the power it's got? Really? Okay. Very interesting. And it's gonna touch the water. Okay, we did save it, which is good. Okay, come on. Come on. Go higher. Higher speed, come on. And that's it. The engine is dead. Oh no, not the engine, the wheels. Yeah, something happened. Hang on. Okay, does it work? Kinda. Yeah, it still does work a bit. And the wheel is popped though, so I'm not expecting much from it. Front left. Okay, two wheels are not doing well. Also, the engine is doing horrible. Now it's faster than before. What the hell? The engine is out of oil. Okay. Still going. What the hell? This car still wants to live. Holy crap. Even though it has all the damages it could have, it's still worth it. Oh, there it is. That's the final damage. It still works, I think. Does it still work? Yes, don't put it in the water. Take it out. No, take it out. Take it out of the water. No, GG's. No, the engine is dead. Well, did pretty well, honestly, but still trash. Yeah, so the best vehicle that did was this one, because of course it was for off-road. If I would take the classic one, like this one, Actually, no, this one. This is the classic one. So if I take this one, for example, it's probably not gonna do as well as it did when it was for off-road. Let's test it out. And it's stuck, okay. Um, Come on, dude. Come on. There we go. Yeah, no, there's no way. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Or is it? Well, it seems to work, I guess. It's doing pretty well. Okay, pretty nice. Yeah, you know what? It's doing actually pretty well. But don't go in the water. The engine will go kaboom. And we do not want that. Oh, there goes the wheel. Honestly, it does pretty well, but yeah, we gotta throw it no matter what. There we go. That's how you throw a car right there. Kaboom. That's it. It's over with this car. Yeah, it's over with it, dude. It's over. Yeah, look at it, man. Wow. Kaboom. Ah, there it is. Well, honestly, this was pretty well. This went pretty smoothly. Yeah, well, I'm gonna end the video here. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all of those cool stuff as you usually do. If you want to do them, go ahead. If you don't want to do them, that's totally fine. What matters is the fact that you're here, enjoy the video, and that's the most important thing. So thank you guys so much for that. Have a wonderful day once again, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.